Hey guys, today we're making salmon in garlic lemon butter sauce. So right now we have our salmon. It's already washed and we're going to be using some garlic, some lemon and capers. Okay, we also will be serving this with some asparagus. I'm stepping away from my Jamaican menu today because I wanted to do something very easy and quick. This will take about 30 minutes to make. When you come home from work and you're tired and you're like, oh, what can I make that is really fast? So this is an example of something that you can make. It's very delicious, it's very quick and awesome. Let's go. When I'm adding my vegetable oil, I kind of like it when it coats the pan. So it's coated. I'm waiting for that oil to heat up. As usual, when I'm testing the oil, I like to add garlic inside there so I can know when it reaches the right temperature. My garlic is sizzling, my pan is hot. I'm going to place the salmon inside there. I'm going to put them skin side down. I'm going to sear them, get it a little brown on the skin side and sear them a little bit on the top and then take them out. Because I don't want to overcook them too much and I don't want to burn my garlic. It smells so awesome already inside here. So I'm putting these skin side down. They're not the perfect shape. Salmon. They will be okay. If you want, you can also add some pepper inside, some hot pepper. If you have hot pepper, you can always add hot pepper inside there to give it some more flavor if that's what you want. But you know, my husband, he can't take pepper, so I won't do that at this moment. But the black pepper and salt, that is enough. The summer will have a very beautiful flavor and taste. And then with this sauce that I'm going to make with the capers and the garlic, that's just going to be amazing. So as you see there, they're cooking nicely. I'm going to leave them in there. I would say make it brown a little bit, which would be about 5 minutes on that side, or 5 to 6 minutes, and I'll flip them over. So that's what I'm looking to see on that side. I want it to get a little bit brown, not too much because I don't want to overcook my salmon. So they're cooking nicely right now. I'm going to give it another 5 minutes, then I'm going to take them out and I will start making that beautiful sauce. So this is what I'm looking for, that nice seared color. It's not too much, I didn't overcook it. So now when I do my sauce and I put them in there for a little bit, it will be the perfect, inside will be perfect basically. So that's the color I was going for and that's what I got. It's looking beautiful. We're ready now. We're gonna make the sauce. So let's go make the sauce for this beautiful salmon. So I'm adding a drizzle of olive oil, not too much. And I'm gonna throw in my garlic. Oops. One of these got inside there. So I want it to get once it starts getting fragrant, because I don't want the garlic to burn.
waiting on it to get a little bit sizzling. Then I'm gonna add my lemon juice and my butter. I'm gonna do 3 tablespoons of butter. I'm using stick butter, so they kind of like measure it out for you already. So I can already smell the flavor. Oh my god, it smells so good. I'm adding some lemon juice. As soon as my garlic starts flavoring, I'm adding the lemon juice. Try not to get some seeds inside there. It's like half of a lemon, not too much. Doesn't that look awesome? It smells so good also. I can smell that garlic and that lemon flavor inside here. I'm gonna add some pepper. I'm gonna start putting in my capers, some capers. I'm adding some capers. Not too much. I should do it. Ooh, oh my god, that scent. It's amazing. I'm putting some of my lemon inside here, lemon slices. Then I'll add my salmon inside here. Sometimes I like to put back some of the juice from it, the oils. So good. I wish you could smell it. I wish scent could come through the phone. It smells amazing. Cover it and let it sit for another 5 minutes or so, and that should be it. Dinner will be ready shortly. 5 minutes has passed, and we just want to take a look on this inside here. Oh my god, look at those. Delicious. That looks amazing. 5 minutes has passed and this looks awesome. Yum. I can't ready to plate this. So we're going to turn it off, and I'm going to do the asparagus right now. For the asparagus, I felt like cooking them in some butter. So I'm going to throw my butter inside there. I may add just a drizzle of olive oil, not too much, just a little bit. I don't want my butter to burn. I don't want to get that. Oh my god, I wish you could smell inside my kitchen right now. It smells delicious. Then I threw my asparagus inside there. I coat them with the butter and olive oil. Adding some salt. Some pepper. Make sure your flames are low. I don't like to overcook my veggies. I'm not going to keep them in there too long. I'm going to do about 6 minutes with these. Adding some garlic inside here. I have garlic in olive oil, so I added some garlic from that. Doesn't that look amazing? Oh my gosh, look at that. Smells great also. I'm gonna cover this and leave it for 5 more minutes. And we should be good to go.